Hey, it's Aran here. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an email list on new Zenler and segment different audiences into individual lists. The way this works is manually, unfortunately, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step summary right off the go now. So you can pause the video and actually have a quick read. And also after this video, you'll be able to download in the description or have a look at the description the actual step-by-step written out for you. Now, this will not make sense to you without me actually showing you how it's done. So let's go to my screen and I'll show you. First step, you go to email broadcasts and then you see your different email lists. So you want to create a list. So let's say in this case, I'm going to call it bootcamp. And this is, let's say, your free bootcamp or your paid bootcamp or whatever. Once you've created a list, what you need to do is go to all contacts. Once you have the different contacts, all you gotta do is pick the ones that you want and add them. Now, this could be really time consuming if you have a lot of names. So you go to advanced filters, click on add filter, click on select, and click on enrolled in a course. Whatever that course is, let's say it's the bootcamp, I'm just gonna pick the demo course. Click on apply filter, and then you would click this button, which will have a whole bunch of names before, and once you click on it, you click on add to email lists. Once you've done that, then it will automatically populate to the correct email list. So then let's just pick an example. I'm going to pick something that because I don't have many names here at all, so I'm just going to pretend that I've already done this. I'm going to pretend role and then student. Okay, now let's just pretend for a second that we actually have other names. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one. Now I'm going to click add to email list, and now I can choose what email list to add it to. I'm going to click on add, and now when I go to email lists, I will see under bootcamp there is one name. Okay, by the way, if you have actually not signed up for New Zenler and you're considering to use it, I actually build websites on New Zenler and I charge to do that. Now, for anybody that uses my affiliate link, I actually will build your website for you for 1 hour, okay? And what happens is that you use my affiliate link for a free trial, make sure you're happy with it. Once you're ready to pay and all that, just go ahead and pay. Send me an email to contact@aranbukai.com to let me know what email you used to sign up. And once I verify at my end that I got credit for your sale, once that's done, I will then connect with you to schedule a call where I will help you for an entire hour on Zoom to do all the technical stuff and actually help you build your website for you. So this is going to shorten the learning curve, help you tremendously, and you get the best of both worlds, both getting it done because I'll be doing it for you, but also learning how it's done because you're watching it being done on Zoom. So hopefully you take me up on this. If you're a new customer to New Zenler or you've never used it before, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching. In case you have not seen my overview and best practices video of New Zenler, I highly recommend you do. It is going to be in front of you right now. Just click the link and it will take you there so you can watch it. And also, if you have any questions about New Zenler or anything about this video, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer you. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it.